taken or single, I think taken by myself.
Yun yung...
Yeah.
Totoo yan, guys.
I think for me, it's the best time to really work on myself. Again, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically. Kaya dapat kayo, kahit wala kayong jowa, kailangan work on yourself. Ano po status nyo?
Sinagot.
Ano masasabi mo sa edits? I super appreciate your edits, guys.
Grabe naman yung isa, sabi taken for granted.
Taken for granted daw ako. Grabe. Hindi naman. Everything happens for a reason.
Naks.
How to be number. And to be cared for. And also, gusto ko yung goal-oriented. Goal-oriented para sabay namin isa-support each other sa mga goals and dreams. And simple lang. Gusto ko lang naman talaga siguro simple. Someone who will take care of me, will support me. And maganda yung smile, cute, ganyan. Yan lang. Happy na. God-fearing pala.
May age limit na ba?
Age limit sa girlfriend? Para... mga ano?
Definitely wala.
Wala tayong age limit doon. And at that time, gusto ko lang naman na magpaganda ng katawan, ganyan. Tapos biglang may nag-offer na sa akin na, hey, do you wanna be a model, ganyan. Tapos at that time, hindi ko naman, parang na-feel ko na hindi naman para sa akin. Alala ko, I remember texting my mom pa nga. Sabi ko, ma, may nag-invite sa akin maging model. Parang hindi pa nga siya naniwala eh. Di ba? So, I think, for me, you just really have to do it. And have a dream. And at that time, it was showbiz. And just work. And be nice to everybody. Kasi you never know kung sino yung tutulong sa'yo. And, yun.
Eh, like, parang good trip. No? It's a product of a pangarap yun before.
Yeah, also like, di ba, good trip.
Reality.
Dati, pangarap ko to dati, magkaroon ng own product ko. Tapos, ngayon, nandito na siya. Di ba? It's really about hard work and it's really doing it. Alam naman natin na minsan mahirap talagang bumangon, of course with social media and all the problems in life. But for me, you just really have to do it.
Yeah. Tsaka good trip, dun sa mga kaka-join lang. So, it's a beauty coffee, no?
Yeah, it's a beauty coffee with, with glutathione, collagen, and L-carnitine. So, guys, follow our Instagram, our TikTok page. And if you want to check it out,
yes, click yung lower left, shop button.
Shop button, lower left.
Dami nang bumili.
Yeah. Anong oras na?
Mag-11 na, guys. So,
guys.
Tulog na tayo.
Tulog na kami. Just check out.
Last, 4 minutes before we check out.
Yeah. What's the nicest compliment you have received? Ano nga ba? I think sabi sa akin, mabait ka pala. Sabi sa akin ganun kasi feeling ko na misinterpret yung shyness ko na mataray, masungit, gano'n. But actually, I'm just really shy. Hindi ko alam parang approach yung tao. Siguro na-feel nyo rin yun paminsan, di ba? So, yun.
Hanggang kailan ka daw chill?
Hanggang kailan ako chill? Hanggang 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
2 weeks. Chill tayo 2 weeks pa. 2 weeks.
Yun. Ano pa mga tanong nyo?
Check out na kayo. Malapit na akong mag-umalis. Like, 10 minutes. Questions? Ano type mo sa isang girl? Yun nga, cute. Joke.
Parang good trip.
Sa alagaan lang ako. Parang good trip.
Mhm. May height daw ba?
Height?
Wala. Grabe. Ano pa? Dami nating viewers, oh. 7K. Anong oras ka daw matutulog?
Maaga ako magising bukas mga 4. Kasi meron akong TVC with Oppo shoot. So, kailangan ko pa mag-workout in the morning kasi nga, I follow my morning routine. Kasi I have to work out. And then, siguro alis ako ng condo ng mga 4:45. I'll drive to Tanay, Rizal tomorrow for a shoot.
So, bili din pala kayo ng bundle na
Yeah.
5.
Yes, meron kaming bundle.
Ayun. Okay. Ano daw favorite role mo? Anong favorite role?
Lahat actually.
Wow. May dream collab ka pa ba?
Dream collab.
Collab.
I just want a nice teleserye and movie. Yeah, hopefully with Barbie. And maybe of course, pwede rin iba. Yeah, maybe sa other network. I don't know. If that's possible.
Yun. So, short hair or long hair? Grabe naman itong mga tanong nyo.
Kahit ano naman.
Okay. Yun. Konti na lang guys. Mag-check out na kayo.
Check out na kayo ng Good Drip for your beautiness.
Or maging cute.
Maging cute.
Chill. Yun. So, David, may final ano ka ba?
Okay guys.
Time matulog.
Natulog na kami. I hope that this year will be a better year for all of you guys. And remember to be nice to everybody. And if you have problems, feel it, but take action. Para go lang tayo ng go. Just keep on going. I love you guys. And if you wanna check out, yeah.
So yun. Check out kayo sa Good Drip.
Yeah, Good Drip. Follow please. Follow me on Instagram. Ay, bawal na pala.
TikTok.
Yeah. Chill lang.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Love you. Wait, naka-live pa ako. Bye-bye guys. Good night. Have a good one.
Sa Good Drip.
Yeah, Good Drip. Follow please. Follow me on Instagram. Ay, bawal na pala.
TikTok.
Yeah. Chill lang.
Okay.
Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Love you. Wait lang, naka-live pa ako. Bye-bye guys. Good night. Have a good one.